Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And today we will learn Surah Al-Quraish. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. So this letter is Lam Alif, but you can see Lam with Kasra Li, and this Alif is having Hamza underneath it. Hamza with Kasra, E. But after Kasra, the Ya is coming, we will make the E sound longer. So this word will be read like Li. You can see there, Li. And Lam with vertical Fatha, La. We will make it longer for 2 seconds. Fa simple Kasra, Fi. So we read the word like li'ilafi, li'ilafi. Qaf with simple dhamma, qu, ra, ya, fatha, rai. This shin sound will be silent because we will stop on it. So we will simply read it like Quraish, Quraish. We are making it the raw sound longer because we are stopping on it. So whenever we will stop on a lean letter, we will make it little longer. Quraish. So li'ilafi Quraish. Second ayah. Hamza with kasra E, but after E there is Ya sound. The letter Ya comes. Whenever after Kasra, the letter Ya comes, we make the sound longer. So it will be E. You can see double E is coming. And Lam with vertical Fatha, La. Fa simply Kasra, Fi, Ha goes to mean him, the bottom part of the throat. Him. Ilafihim. Okay. Ra goes to Ha. Rih, this Ha is from the middle part of the throat. Rih, Lam Fatha La, Rihla. This word will be Rihla, but this Ta goes to the next Sheen because Sheen is having Shadda on it. Ta will be connected with Sheen, Tash, and Sheen with Kasra, She. So this word will be Tashi, Tashi. And after Fatha, Alif is coming, which means you make the sound longer. And after that Alif, the letter Hamza is coming in the same word. So we make the Ta sound more longer. You can see the mud sign is coming on top of that. So we make it longer for 4 to 5 seconds. Ta-i, ta-i. Waw goes to Sod, was, and Sod will be connected with Ya. Sod, Ya, Fatha, Soy, was, Soy. And the Fa Kasra Fi, we make it silent. We just read F sound. Was-soif. We make the Sod sound longer because we are stopping on it. Was-soif. إيلافهم رحلة الشتاء والصيف. Third ayah. Fa goes to Lam, Fal. Ya goes to Ain, Ya. Fal, Ya. Ba with simple Dhamma, Bu. And after Dhamma, Waw is coming, we make the Dal sound longer. Do. So this word will be Fal, Ya, Budu. Ra with Fatha, so we make the Ra sound bold, and ra will be connected with ba. Rob, ba, rob, ba. Ha with vertical fatha, we make it longer for 2 seconds. Ha, this ha from the bottom part of the throat. Ha, the zal will be connected with lam. There is no sign on this alif, and this alif we will consider it silent. Whenever you see the next letter is having connecting sign, you always connect the connecting sign with the previous letter, which is having a sign on it. So zal will be connected with lam. Zal, ba ya fatha, bai, ti. But when we stop here, we make the sound silent, bait, and make the ba sound longer, little longer. Bait, فليعبدوا رب هذا البيت. Okay, the last ayah, we will put fatha on alif, and it will be connected with lam. Al, lam with fatha, la. Allah, zal with kasra, and after kasra ya comes, we make the zal sound longer. Z, there is a mud sign on it, which emphasizes you make it little more longer, because the next letter is hamza on the next word. So we make it longer for 3 seconds. Allazi, you can see there, the Z sound will be very soft. Allazi, hamza will be connected with ta. Ta is out of echo letters, it will be echo sound. Ato, ato. So ayn with simple fatha, mim fatha ma, and ha will be connected with this meme, whom. But you can see the next meme is having shadda. So we make this meme silent, and we will connect ha with the next meme and do gunna sound. Whom, and this is known of noon sakin. After noon sakin, the jim is coming, which is out of ikhfa letters. So we will do ikhfa sound on this noon. Min, okay. Min, we make the jim sound longer and connect ain, ain, ju, ain. But of ain with double kasra, ain with tanween, and after tanween, waw is coming, which is idgham letters, out of idgham letters. So we will merge ain sound with the waw sound and do gunna. Aywa, ju'wa, ju'wa. After fatha alif is coming, we make a sound longer. A, mana, amana. Ha goes to meme. Home. The same thing. This meme is silent, sakin, and after the next one is having shadda, we connect ha with the next meme and do gunna. Hum min, okay. Hum min. So we do this known sound clear. We do is ha because this the letter kha is coming after known with sakin. The letter kha comes, which is out of throttle letters, huruf halaqi. So we make the known sound clear. Min, khawf, we make kha sound longer because we are stopping on the fa. Khawf. So this ayah will be الذي أطعمهم من جوع وآمنهم من خوف. Okay, I will read the whole surah. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. لإيلاف قريش إيلافهم رحلة الشتاء والصيف فليعبدوا رب هذا البيت الذي أطعمهم من جوع وآمنهم من خوف. That's it for today, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.